Hello guys, I am Froggy and we are doing an exciting science experiment. Yeah! And also we will make a volcano erupt like this. For an example, a chicken. And then it launches into a volcano. So in this bottle, this is the bottle so we can make a volcano. So guys, we are going to pour the vinegar in, right? And then we will make the volcano erupt. Yes? Say it loud if you want me to do it.
Yes!
Louder!
Yes!
Louder!
Yes! We
Okay,
want volcano.
guys. Froggy, you have to get... Ducky, you have to get out. Okay, guys. Let it erupt. Volcano!
Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool.
So, guys, make sure to subscribe for more videos, yeah? Bye, guys!